This video actually shows parts of a journey that I did in southern India on the Indian rail system. There's a lot of interesting facts about the Indian rail system a lot of people don't know about. I was making a journey, a 6-hour journey from one part of southern India to another part of southern India. When you make sure that anytime you book a ticket in India on the rail, make sure you pick first class, which means you get an air-conditioned car. I made the mistake of picking a second class car ticket, which actually has no air conditioning, and in 90-degree Fahrenheit, which is about 32 degrees centigrade, it was kind of miserable for about 6 hours because all you get is fans. Here's an interesting fact. If you put all the rail lines in India together, you get about 41,000 miles or 67,000 kilometers of rail, which is the equivalent of going around the equator 1.5 times.